Hey, you guys, it's Coach Ben with Give and Grow here with another Give and Grow breathwork for you guys today. If you're new to this channel or these videos, this is where we breathe to the rhythm of music for all the benefits that music can bring into our life, helping us calm down, helping us get excited, helping us balance out, and all the benefits that breathwork and breathing with our nose, slow out through our mouth, it can bring so many benefits to our mind, to our body, to our health, to our emotions, our stress levels. All of those things can benefit from breathing. So the song that I have picked out for us today goes along with the word of this breath work, which is calm. This whole thing today is to help us calm down. And this is one of my favorite songs to just calm and relax to. It feels like I'm on like a little boat ride when I close my eyes and breathe to the rhythm of this song. It's just super fluid and flowy. And I'm excited to share it with you guys today. So you can sit down, you can lie down, whatever makes you most comfortable and most calm, because our posture impacts our ability to get calm too. So find that posture and position for yourself, and we're going to get going. We'll breathe in through our nose when I say in, out through our mouth when I say out, and let go of that stress, calming ourselves down. Let's grow. Closing your eyes, breathe in, out, in, filling up your belly, out, relaxing your shoulders and your face, in through your nose, out. In with a smile, out with any stress, let it go. In, out through your mouth. In, out. In, imagining your favorite place to be. Out, enjoying that mental picture in your mind. In, out, keeping that imagination going. In, out. In, imagining those people that make you the most calm. Out. In, imagine them smiling and having fun. Out. In, connecting with your body. Out. Feeling that stress leave your lips. In, out, letting go of any worries, any doubts. In with that confidence. Out. In, out. Connecting with the music. In, out, the way in. Fill up your belly. Fill up your chest. Hold your breath with everything all the way full of air. One more sip in of air through your mouth. Hold your breath. Connect with your body and how you feel. Noticing the areas of your body that feel calm, that feel relaxed. And maybe bringing back to mind your favorite place to be and your favorite people to be there with. Using your imagination and visualization to help you find your calm space. Everyone, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for breathing along. I hope you feel the benefits. I hope you felt the music. I hope you felt how good it feels to just take some time to slow down and breathe. It's truly a powerful practice, everyone. So hit like, hit subscribe. Let us know how you feel in the comments, because you already know it's time to grow. I'll see you in the next video. Much love.